Good morning, students, and welcome to your English online lecture of Standard 2nd. Myself, Miss Pooja, and today we are going to learn subject English. So, students, let us begin with a new lesson, new chapter from Unit 4. So, students, today we are going to learn Unit 4, lesson number 4.8, reading time. So I request all the students to open your English Bal Bharti textbook and to carry a pencil with you. Students, आज के हमारे ऑनलाइन लेक्चर में हम यूनिट 4 लेसन नंबर 4.8 रीडिंग टाइम पढ़ने वाले हैं। तो सभी बच्चों को आपके इंग्लिश के टेक्स्ट बुक ओपन करनी है और साथ ही में आपको पेंसिल कैरी करना है। सो स्टूडेंट्स, ओपन योर टेक्स्ट बुक एंड बी रेडी। स्टूडेंट्स, have you all opened your English Bal Bharti textbook? Okay, let us begin with our today's lesson, that is lesson number 4.8 reading time. So students, open your page number 62 of your English Bal Bharti textbook. बच्चों, आपको आपके इंग्लिश बाल भारती टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 62 ओपन करना है। आज का हमारा लेसन है लेसन नंबर 4.8 रीडिंग टाइम। स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन सी दैट ऑन पेज नंबर 62 लेसन नंबर 4.8 रीडिंग टाइम। टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू study this lesson in our online lecture. So as you can see, a reading time, a picture of a park is given and below the picture some sentence are given. You have to observe the picture and write the correct answer in the space given below. So all of you have to carry a pencil with you. बच्चों, आपको आपके पेज नंबर 62 इस लेसन 4.8 रीडिंग टाइम में आपको एक पिक्चर दी गई है, जो कि पिक्चर है एक पार्क की, एक गार्डन की। तो आपको पिक्चर को अच्छी तरीके से देखना है और पिक्चर देखते हुए आपको नीचे कुछ ब्लैंक्स दिए हैं जो आपको कंप्लीट करने हैं। सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट वी आर गोइंग टू ऑब्जर्व द पिक्चर एंड देन we are going to complete the answer in the space given below. तो सबसे पहले हम स्टार्ट करेंगे हमारे पिक्चर से। अब हम अच्छी तरीके से हमारा पिक्चर रीड करेंगे और फिर सेंटेंस को पढ़ते हुए उसके आंसर्स लिखेंगे। सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ you have to pay attention carefully to the video and then we are going to write the answer in the textbook itself. So students, you all have to write the answer in your textbook page number 62. As you can see that there are dash given below in the textbook. So let us start. Question number A. Look at the following picture. Read the passage below it and write down the missing words in it. Now here you can see a picture is given. So in this lesson, reading time, what is reading? We have already studied the reading time in each and every unit, yes or no? So in this unit, in reading time, we are going to look at the picture and then we are going to read the passage and we are going to write down the missing words. Okay, so here in question number A, look at the following picture. First we have to look at the picture, then we have to read the passage below it and answer the missing words which are said to us. So first लेट अस स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट द पिक्चर। तो सबसे पहले हम पिक्चर को देखेंगे बच्चों। सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ लेट अस स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट द पिक्चर। सो what is the picture all about? The picture is about a park. Yes or no students? Yes. बच्चों, ये पिक्चर कौन सी जगह की है? ये पिक्चर है पार्क की। पार्क यानी गार्डन। तो सभी बच्चों गार्डन जाते हो? यस। तो ये पिक्चर है गार्डन की। अब हम इस पिक्चर में ध्यान से देखेंगे कौन कौन से चीज़ें हमें इस पिक्चर में दिखाई दे रहे हैं। Students, we are going to observe what all things we can see in this picture. There is a picture of a tree. On the tree, you can see the monkey is sitting. So students, बच्चों आप देख सकते हो कि झाड़ पर कौन बैठा है? मंकी बैठा है। Yes or no? Yes. Now you can see a woman, a lady and a small child. They are, what are they doing? They are talking to each other and the lady is having a badminton in her hand. So you can see that there are many things shown in the picture. The next is two children are playing on the swing. Yes or no? तो बच्चों आप नेक्स्ट देखो कि दो बच्चे स्विंग पर, झूले पर झूला झूल रहे हैं। झूले को क्या कहते हैं? स्विंग। सो टू स्टूडेंट्स, अ बॉय एंड अ गर्ल आर स्विंगिंग ऑन द स्विंग। ओके, नाउ द नेक्स्ट इज टू चिल्ड्रंस आर सिटिंग एंड प्लेइंग ऑन अ सीसॉ, ऑन अ ब्लू कलर सीसॉ। तो बच्चों आप देख सकते हो कि दो चिल्ड्रेन, छोटे छोटे दो बच्चे, बॉय और गर्ल, ब्लू कलर के सीसॉ पर बैठकर खेल रहे हैं। द नेक्स्ट इज पर्पल कलर स्लाइड। ओके, सो ऑन द स्लाइड यू कैन सी अ गर्ल लाफिंग एंड इंजॉइंग। तो आप देख सकते हो स्लाइड पर, स्लाइड यानी फिसलगुंडी, तो आप देख सकते हो कि एक गर्ल स्लाइड पर बैठकर इंजॉय कर रही है। And behind you can see a man is walking with his dog. आप पीछे देखो, एक आदमी अपने डॉग को लेकर घूम रहा है। Then in the front you can see, आगे आप देख सकते हो, three children are enjoying the balloon. They are playing with the balloon. There is a balloon, pink color balloon. They are playing with the balloon. तो बच्चों आप देख सकते हो, स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन सी दैट 3 चिल्ड्रेन आर प्लेइंग विथ अ पिंक कलर बलून। 3 बच्चे पिंक कलर के बलून से खेल रहे हैं। एंड देन यू कैन सी दैट देर आर ग्रीन ग्रासेस एंड देर आर पिंक कलर फ्लावर्स एंड ऑल्सो बटरफ्लाइज आर रोमिंग हियर एंड देयर ऑन द फ्लावर्स। तो आप देख सकते हो ग्रीन कलर के घास है हर तरफ गार्डन में और फूलों पर तितलियां बैठी हुई है। ओके, सो दिस इज अ पिक्चर ऑफ अ गार्डन, अ पार्क। सो लेट अस नाउ रीड द पैसेज एंड आंसर द मिसिंग वर्ड्स। ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ we have observed the picture of a park. Now we are going to read the passage and then we are going to write the missing words. तो बच्चों अब हमने ऑब्जर्व किया हमारे पिक्चर को, पार्क को। अब हम मिसिंग वर्ड्स कंप्लीट करने वाले हैं। सो स्टूडेंट्स, फर्स्ट लेट अस रीड द पैसेज एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू आंसर द क्वेश्चंस। ओके बच्चों, पहले हम पैसेज रीड करेंगे, उसे अच्छी तरीके से समझेंगे और फिर इसके आंसर्स लिखेंगे। इन द पार्क। ओके, सो व्हाट इज द हेडिंग ऑफ द पैसेज? द टाइटल ऑफ द पैसेज इज इन द पार्क, मीन्स द चिल्ड्रंस आर प्लेइंग इन द पार्क। Yesterday we all had been to a dash for the school picnic. Okay, now yesterday means the childrens are talking about their school picnic. Yesterday they had been to a park. So what will the answer come? The answer is P-A-R-K, park. So yesterday they all went to a park for the school picnic. Okay, the park was very beautiful. So the park was very beautiful. There were green dash. There were green grasses. So what is the answer? What will come? Green grasses will come. There were green grasses. Full stop. Okay. Now the next. There was a dash sitting on a tree. Now who is sitting on a tree, students? You can see a monkey is sitting on a tree. So there was a monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey sitting on a tree. Full stop. Pink and white dash bloomed in the green grasses. Bloomed. Now pink and white, what are pink and white? Flowers. Yes. So in the picture we can see that pink and white flowers bloomed in the green grass. What is the meaning of bloomed? Bloomed means the pretty flowers are grown up. Okay, bloomed. Pink and white flowers bloomed in the green grass. There were dash flying around the flowers. Now who is flying around the flowers, students? Butterflies. There were butterflies flying around the flowers. Full stop. Nina, Yash and I played with a pink dash. Now you can see three children. Nina is a girl, Yash and I. Now three of them are playing with a pink color. What is they playing? They are playing with a pink color balloon. So the answer is B-A-L-L-O-O-N, balloon. Full stop. Mahesh and Deepa enjoyed swinging on the dash. Now Mahesh is a boy and Deepa is a girl. They enjoyed swinging on the swing. They are sitting and enjoying on the swing. S-W-I-N-G, swing. Salma enjoyed playing on the long purple dash. Now Salma is a girl. She is enjoying on the purple color slide. So what is the answer? S-L-I-D-E, slide. Jenny and Ayush sat on the blue seesaw. What is there? Blue color? Seesaw is there. So the answer seesaw will come. I saw a man walking with his dash. I saw a man walking with his dog. D-O-G, dog. Okay. You can see the picture of a man walking behind with a dog. Yes. We had a lot of fun in the park. Now the children are saying that we had a lot of fun in the park. They enjoyed their picnic in the park. Okay. Now स्टूडेंट्स, बच्चों, अब आपको आपके हाथों में पेंसिल रखनी है. अब मैं आपको आंसर्स बताने वाली हूँ. वो आंसर आप टेक्स्ट बुक पेज नंबर 62 पर लिखोगे. ओके. जो आंसर्स हमने अभी डिस्कस किए इस पैसेज को पढ़कर, अब वो आंसर्स हम हमारे टेक्स्ट बुक में लिखेंगे. ओके. तो सब बच्चे अपने पेंसिल निकालोगे और रेडी रखोगे. अब हम हमारे आंसर्स स्टार्ट करेंगे. So students, let us begin. Okay students, so here you can see that I have written the answer also. Now let us start. Look at the following picture, read the passage below it and write down the missing words in it. So in the exam also this can come. Okay, a picture will be given, a short passage will be given. You have to first look at the picture. You have to read the passage and write down the missing words. Those words are missing. You have to look at the picture and write the missing words. Okay. So, in the park. Yesterday, we all had been to a dash. Yesterday, we all had been to a park. So, first answer, first dash, you are going to write the spelling of park, P-A-R-K, park, for the school picnic. Okay, so write P-A-R-K, park. Next one, the park was very beautiful. Now, how was the park? It was very beautiful. There were green dash. There were green grasses. So write the spelling of grasses, G-R-A-S-S-E-S, grasses. Second dash, you are going to write the spelling of grasses. Now, there was a dash sitting on a tree. There was a monkey. Write the spelling of monkey, M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey, sitting on a tree. Pink and white dash bloomed in the green grasses. Pink and white flowers, F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers bloomed in the green grass. There were dash flying around the flowers. There were butterflies, B-U-T-T-E-R-F-L-I-E-S. There were butterflies flying around the flowers. Okay, write the spelling of butterflies. Nina, Yash and I played with a pink dash. What is in their hand? The children are playing with a balloon, pink color balloon. Write the spelling of balloon, B-A-L-L-O-N, balloon. Okay. Mahesh and Deepa enjoyed swinging on the dash. Now Mahesh and Deepa enjoyed swinging on the swing. So write the spelling of swing, S-W-I-N-G, swing. Salma enjoyed playing on the long purple dash. Salma enjoyed playing on the long purple slide. Okay, S-L-I-D-E, slide. Jenny and Ayush sat on the blue seesaw, S-E-E-C-S-A-W, saw, seesaw. Next, I saw a man walking with his dog, D-O-G, dog. We had a lot of fun in the park. We had a lot of fun in the park. Okay, so you can see that I have written the answer. Same way, students, you are going to write in your textbook with a pencil in the missing dash. Okay, where dash is given, where space is given, there you are going to write the correct answer. Okay, like I have shown in the video. Okay, students, I hope that this lesson reading time you all have understood. So in the exam also it can come, a picture will be shown. बच्चों, इसी तरीके से क्वेश्चन आपके एग्जाम में आ सकता है. एक पिक्चर बताई गई रहेगी, पैसेज दिया रहेगा, आपको पिक्चर को अच्छी तरीके से देखना है और पैसेज पहले आप रीड करोगे और जो वर्ड्स मिसिंग है आप उन वर्ड्स में करेक्ट आंसर लिखोगे. ओके स्टूडेंट्स. So students, our lesson 4.8 reading time is completed. So you are going to write the answer on the textbook itself. Now there is one more question given, question number B. Now read aloud the passage again. Yes, now we have written the answers. Now again you have to read the passage. Okay, full passage you are going to read. So in the park you are going to read the passage. Yesterday we all had been to a park for the school picnic. So students, read along with me. बच्चों मेरे साथ ही रिपीट करो, रीड करो. The park was very beautiful. Full stop. There were green grasses. Full stop. There was a monkey sitting on a tree. Pink and white flowers bloomed in the green grass. There were butterflies flying around the flowers. Nina, Yash and I played with a pink balloon. Mahesh and Deepa enjoyed swinging on the swing. Salma enjoyed playing on the long purple slide. Jenny and Ayush sat on the blue seesaw. I saw a man walking with his dog. We had a lot of fun in the park. Okay, so here we have completed reading the passage also. I hope that you all have understood this lesson. Lesson number 4.8, reading time. So you are going to read the passage and also you are going to complete the space complete as I have shown for you all. So read the passage again and stay home and stay safe, students. Stay connected for the next English online lecture. Thank you for watching today's video.